Hey everyone, today we're going to go over some sight singing practice. So, we're going to start by identifying the notes, letter names, then we're going to identify the solfege of each of those names. After that, we're going to clap and say the solfege out loud, just speaking. And then lastly, we will sing the whole thing. Let's get started. So, I'm going to start with this note, which is middle C. Next note, we're going up a step to D, up a step on the first line, E, F on the first space, G, second line. We're noticing a trend, we're going up, A, second space. We've got the third line, again going up, B, still going up, C on the third space. Notice how the trend's going down now. So let's see. Looking at C going down a half step to the third line, we can kind of notice they match. You can also do that for the other notes as well to help you kind of identify them a little quicker if you notice a trend. All right, here we go. So we've got A for the second space, down a step, half a step to G, half a step. Here we go, down a step. E. Keep going down, back to middle C. Now we're going to keep going. Again, we're going back up. Okay, back up. First line E, first space is F, second line G, second space is A, third line up B, third space C. Oh, we're going back down, so we have B, down a step, down a step, so we've got G, up a step, and then up a step, and then, ooh, look at that, it stays the same. Okay, so pretty easy. They're pretty close together to where we kind of have a pattern going, so hopefully this will be easy in identifying solfege. So let's get started. So C, I usually always have our first note be do, just so we have some sort of starting point. It's a thing we call movable do. All right, now let's try it. So we've got do. So let's keep going. We're up a step to re, up a step to mi, up, fa, up, sol, up, la, still going up, ti, and do. And then you're going to notice we go all the way back down the scale, so I'm going to go backwards. So ti, la, sol, fa. Hopefully this isn't too fast for you. I'm just showing you that we have a trend in case it's going too quickly. If you have any questions on any of this at any point, or you're confused about anything, just email me and let me know and I'll try to help you out. All right, let's keep going. So re and do, and then we keep going. Again, we got the trend here, so we're going back up. Re, mi, up, fa, up, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, now we're gonna go down. So we got ti. So we don't go all the way down the scale again. It's kind of changing here, so we got to make sure we're paying attention. So we've got ti, down a step to la, down, sol. We're gonna go back up to la, ti, and then we end on the high do. All right, now what I want to do is have us clap through this. So I'm going to give you a rhythm. I'll count you off. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 in rhythm, and then I'll have you do it with me together. So let's try it. We're going to speak the solfege as well as we clap. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, clap with me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, do, So, how'd you do? I hope I wasn't too quick for you. Again, at any point in the video, if you're confused, email me and I'll try to help you out. All right, now, let's see if we could try to sing this, okay? So I'm gonna pick a do and have us do it together. So our starting pitch is gonna be do. So let's try it together. I'll go slowly so we can try to keep it up. And again, I'm gonna try not to go too quickly. Here we go. So 1, 2, ready. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, do. Alrighty, how'd you do? If it was tough for you to do and you want to try to kind of go back and do that again, practice it again, go ahead and back it up a little bit and try it again. If not, and you did really well and you feel comfortable, then great job. Again, if at any point you have any questions on what I went over today, or if I went too quickly, or if it's just confusing, send me an email. Don't be afraid to write me through Canvas, so I'll help you out. Alrighty, friends, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for participating with me and singing along and clapping and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time.